Edwin Arthur Schlossberg is an American designer, author, and artist. He specializes in designing interactive, participatory experiences, beginning in 1977 with the first hands-on learning environment in the U.S. for the Brooklyn Children's Museum. Schlossberg continues to work in the field and publishes frequently on the subject. He is the husband of Carolyn Kennedy, daughter of John F. Kennedy and Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis. He has published 11 books, including Einstein and Beckett and Interactive Excellence, defining and developing new standards for the 21st century. His artwork has been presented in many one-man shows and museum exhibits. In 2011, he was appointed to the U.S. Commission of Fine Arts by President Barack Obama. Schlossberg was born in New York City to an Orthodox Jewish family. His parents Alfred I. Schlossberg and May Hirsch were both children of Ukrainian immigrants. Alfred founded a textile manufacturing business and was president of the Park East Synagogue on New York's Upper East Side, where Ed studied Hebrew and celebrated becoming a bar mitzvah. Schlossberg first attended New York's PS 166 school and graduated from Birch-Wathen School and Columbia College of Columbia University. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.